I am Siddharth Pendharkar from Pendharkar's Coaching Institute. Today's video is about how to do very well in mathematics. There are many people who are failing, flunking, doing very badly in mathematics. This video is especially for them so that they can do very well, they can convert their weakness into strength, and they can even be toppers in their classes in mathematics. Frankly speaking, I was struggling till my 7th standard in mathematics. From 8th standard onwards, I got a very good guru, very good teacher in mathematics, and then I started becoming the topper in mathematics in my class. So I'm just sharing the strategies which I use them and which I have taught to my students also in the last 20 years of my teaching. And many of my students have employed these strategies and have exceeded my expectations and done very, very well. Now, just some more information. If you want information about us, you can visit pendharkarsinstitute.com. You will find info about us. We run our physical classes in Thane near Mumbai. We also have an online batch. Any student from India or abroad can learn physics, chemistry, mathematics from us. We coach for 11th and 12th grade board exams, as well as we coach students for engineering, medicine, pharmacy, entrance exams like JEE, NEET, CET, etc. Vellore, BEATS, Manipal, SRM, etc. Now, in our batches, we ensure that you understand the subject, and this is our guarantee. This is our guarantee that you will learn and enjoy physics, chemistry, mathematics, and you will do much better and you will have much better experience than even a physical class. Coming back to our main topic for the day. So how can a student actually do very, very well in mathematics? Some strategies I am telling, please employ them stepwise and you will do wonders. Step 1, allot a fixed time for this subject. Typically, I allot something like in the evening 8 to 8:45 p.m. or in the morning 7 a.m. to 7:45 a.m. first thing in the morning after I get up and freshen up, whatever. Allot a fixed time, and come what may, other priorities, other works might come. Please do not change this timing. Stick to it, and for 45 minutes every day, take baby steps. I'm not asking 2 hours, 3 hours per day, 45 minutes per day. Do mathematics in that allotted time religiously without any compromise. Okay. Secondly, read mathematical sums, numericals to understand them, but immediately solve without seeing. People just read to understand. They do not write. So read once to understand, that is okay, to understand the answer of a numerical, but after that immediately solve, write without seeing, and keep all this written. Keep a written record of all this in a notebook. And then it is also possible that there are certain numericals which after you understand, you realize that they are a little difficult, or you may not be able to do them yourself in an exam. Now, who is asking you to do it based on your intelligence only? Try to understand, performance in an exam is not based only on intelligence. It is also a matter of strategy and preparation. So such numericals you should first only solve, collect, keep it in a notebook properly written, and keep corner of page folded. Keep corner of such pages folded जो जरा हट के different numericals है, where after doing it once you realize कि ऐसा ये मेरे को करने को नहीं जमेगा. This I cannot do on my own. If you get that feeling, keep corner of page folded, and one day before the exam, surely see all these folded pages. One day before the exam, you should, of course, revise all that you have solved of all chapters in mathematics. So if my paper is tomorrow, today would be a bit of an ordeal. I have to revise all 4 topics, 10 topics, 20 topics, 30 topics, whatever number of chapters are there, all I have to scan through quickly and revise one day before the exam. Then tomorrow in the exam my recall will be perfect. Okay, so keep a proper record in a notebook of whatever you solve, and thoda different kind of questions, difficult questions, or wherever there is a catch in a question, those ones you keep corner of page folded, corner half page folded, Okay, and see all those folded pages before you go to an exam. Next, last step, many times people get underconfident in mathematics and they don't ask anything to others. They go in a shell, they withdraw in a shell. Don't do that. You solve. If you don't understand something, ask till you get an answer. Sometimes people ask a teacher, teacher says I will tell you tomorrow, day after, फिर वो रह जाता है. Sometimes teacher does not get time, you do not get time, you forget, no problem. If teacher is not getting, ask a friend. If that friend does not know, ask another friend. Ask A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Check on Google. Do whatever. If you find the solution on Google, ask a friend if you understands that solution. Somehow pursue it till you understand it. Okay. So please ask others. One more tip which comes to my mind and I will share is that keep past year's papers handy. Whenever you are studying any chapter, see what has come in the past year's papers. Solve those questions again in a notebook, so that if you can solve past year's university papers, college papers at home, then possibly similar questions you can solve in the final exam paper. Okay, all the best. You deserve to do well. Keep on seeing our videos in case you want more tips and want to learn physics, chemistry, mathematics and want to enjoy. Our YouTube channel is Siddharth Pendharkar. You can subscribe, you can check out videos on that YouTube channel. We keep adding to that. And in case you have any difficulty or in case you want any information, you can WhatsApp us on +91 92 23 43 55 24. I'll repeat, +91 92 23 43 55 24. All the best. Do well. And if you like our video, please share your comments. It motivates us to help you all the more. Thank you.